Are you watching your calories but still want to have crispy and tasty fries? An air fryer simply cooks your food with electric heat, which is circulated by powerful fans. The generated air keeps the surface of the food dry and crispy while maintaining the inside moist. In this video, we review the best 5 air fryers that are high performance, affordable, reliable, and easy to use. Welcome to another video from my review channel. We are going to compare the best 5 air fryers available today and help you choose one for you. When you are ready to buy, just check the description below. Hit the Show More button to see the complete list for all products with the best offers we found, and don't forget to subscribe. We make these reviews together, so if there is anything we are missing, please comment below and we will check it. Now, let's get into the video. First on our list of best 5 air fryers is the Breville, the Smart Oven Air. This product functions as normal oven, offering also the air frying function. The Breville Smart Oven Air has the integrated features of super convection technology with 2-speed convection fan, which ensures fast and even heat distribution. Simply made perfect from air frying, dehydration, and roasting. Its Element I/O deliver precise cooking temperatures at the right area at the right time. It is also built for your needs of large gatherings and family favorites. There is no need to buy a standalone air fryer or dehydrator because the Breville can do both and can dehydrate up to 4 trays of a wide range of foods. In terms of size, it has a 1 cubic foot large interior that makes room for roasting a 14-pound turkey, toasting 9 slices of bread, air fry your favorite French fries, or slow cook those delicious pastries. What makes this product valuable is its 13 cooking functions. So whether you will toast bagel, broil, bake, roast, warm, pizza, proof, air fry, reheat, cookies, slow cook, or dehydrate, you are sure to have a setup for that. The LCD display offers easy access to this built-in smart functionality and notifies you when the cooking cycle is complete. All of this happens with a touch of the button. Overall, the Breville is a single appliance built to perform a variety of tasks, from conventional oven to air fryer and even slow cooker. Let's move on to the next. Second on our list is the Philips Avant Digital TurboStar Air Fryer. This product is overall the best air fryer we have tested. With a Philips air fryer, you can enjoy your snacks and meals and be able to use air to cook them with up to 75% less fat. This healthier way is due to Philips TurboStar technology, where the food is exposed to constant circulating heat, which allows you to cook your foods with just a tablespoon of oil. Its quick control dial sets the right temperature and start cooking in just a click. The Philips air fryer is not just for evenly fried food and frying, but also for grilling, baking, and roasting your favorite dishes. There is a keep warm function that retains the heat of the food even after 30 minutes of cooking. So, if your family is late for dinner, the food remains fresh, juicy, and warm. Feel the food that is crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. The Philips air fryer has an instant heat technology, so there is no need to preheat and you can start cooking right away. Its size is able to accommodate up to 4 servings. We found this product also super easy to clean. It has a removable, non-stick drawer and dishwasher-safe food basket that ensures safe and fast cleaning. Switching between accessories is also easy thanks to the easy click handle. If you're looking for cooking inspiration, you can try over 200 recipes in the Air Fryer Recipe app. Overall, as we said in the beginning, this is a fantastic air fryer. It delivers what it promises and is easy to use and maintain. Third on our list of best 5 air fryers is the Cuisinart Convection Toaster Oven and Air Fryer. Unlike other products in this list, the Cuisinart does not use digital control and functions. And that's maybe why it's one of the cheapest in this list. You don't have to buy 2 different appliances as it works as an oven, and the Cuisinart comes with an air fryer basket to be used along with an air fryer setting. It's compact and easy to use. It's the best choice for couples and small families. It is taller than typical toaster ovens out there. We can describe it as a premium full-size toaster with a built-in air fryer. It is able to accommodate 6 slices of bread, 2 pounds of fries, 12-inch pizza, and a 4-pound chicken. You'll also be surprised that it performs better than many other ovens. It does not only bake, toast, and broil, but also lets you air fry right inside the oven. Be amazed how it uses powerful, ultra-hot air and prepares your delicious fried favorites, from drumsticks, wings, fries to shrimp. It has an adjustable thermostat with 60-minute timer and auto shutoff too. Overall, this is a great product. Let's go to the next. Fourth on our list is the GoWise USA Programmable 8-in-1 Air Fryer. Meet the GoWise Air Fryer, the most affordable in this entire list. When you're looking for the best budget option, this will definitely suit you. It does have the 90% of features for less than 50% of the cost. What you would love about this is it cooks foods fast with its rapid air circulation technology. It is assured of low-fat cooking. It comes with a 3.7 quart capacity, which suits a family size of 2 to 4 people. Make your cooking activity easier with its 8 cooking presets, where you can choose from warm-up, chips, chicken, steak, meat, cake, and fish. Enjoy your fried snacks without added calories and little to no oil. With GoWise USA Air Fryer, your food is cooked crispy and juicy. It circulates hot air in all directions and ensures your food is cooked evenly. With a temperature range of 170 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you can cook your favorite dishes in 30 minutes or less. Its design includes a removable pan with a cool-to-touch hand grip and a detachable basket for easy transitioning from the air fryer to your plate, quick and easy. Also, it automatically turns off once the basket is removed from the air fryer or when the timer is done. Finally, last on our list of best 5 air fryers is the Tefal ActiFry Air Fryer. With Tefal ActiFry Air Fryer, you won't need to preheat, shake, or stir something over. It is equipped with pulse heat system that optimize hot air circulation to cook your foods the way you want them. It also comes with a precision spoon to measure the accurate amounts of oil to use in cooking. With its LCD screen display, automatic countdown timer, removable ceramic-coated pan, and paddle, its users is assured of a convenient cooking experience. The Tefal ActiFry Air Fryer can accommodate 2.2 pounds of food, which is great for bigger families. The unique aspect of its design is it has a rotating arm that moves the food around inside the fryer while it's cooking, which ensures all sides get equal exposure and crispiness. Perfect for a French fry crisp without any excess oil. When cooking, you'll just simply put the ingredients in the pan, close the lid, set up the timer, and switch it on. There's a viewing window where you can keep an eye on the food while cooking. Sit back and relax, and wait for the timer to end and the alarm to sound. Then, its lid opens automatically at the push of a button. In terms of cleaning, its removable pan, lid, paddle, and tablespoon are all dishwasher safe and made for your convenience. This wraps up our list of the best 5 air fryers 2018. Hope we have helped you choose the right one for you. Have you chosen one already? Please comment below with your choice number. Are you ready to buy any of these? Look at the text below. We have looked for the best offers out there for all of them. Help us spread the voice. If this video was helpful, subscribe to our channel and tell your friends about it. Together, let us build a growing community. We are looking forward to your comments to improve this review. If you have other products you would like us to look into, just let us know. Our team of experts in each area are always looking for new ideas. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.